Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So when you after you update your iPhone to iOS 14, you can't use your cellular data, so you have no service here. So your phone doesn't see your SIM card. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just swipe up and just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So sometimes it also helps to resolve this issue. If it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here mobile cellular data and just turn off here, wait some time and turn on again. So no, sometimes it also helps. If it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to the general and just try to shut down, just slide to power off, you will see here, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So simplest say, you just restored your phone. And the latest thing you can also try, just open reset in general and find here reset network settings and just try type here on reset network settings and just submit it. So after you do it, sometimes it also helps to resolve. So just try, I hope it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.